Hey everyone, welcome back to the Laserdisc repair bench. We have a CLD-59 tonight. I kind of skipped some of the pleasantries. We went ahead and just took off the top, and I'm pretty sure we know what the issue is. When we turn on the unit, it makes a grinding noise on the gears, or like a rattling noise on the gears, and it sounds like the motor holder is broken. So we're actually gonna go down there and take a look while I turn this thing on. It might help to see it. So you can see the laser. Will not move. It's just stuck. Because of that, we're going to have to take this plate off because I can't really get to the laser very well. In my last video, I did it without removing the top plate, but it's so much easier. So we'll go ahead and take this top plate off. We'll have full access to the laser. We'll pull it, we'll check the motor holder, and see if that's our issue. So we got a few screws to remove. There's a fifth screw down here. When you're removing this, you want to be careful. The last thing that comes out is going to be the plastic guide rail. There we go. You just want to take a flathead screwdriver, kind of wedge it in here. There's just a little plastic piece that holds this rail. It just pulls out of the back here. Nothing broken at first glance. Just want to keep a little bit of pressure on the motor, because once that second screw comes out, the motor can technically go wherever it wants. All right. Yeah, definitely broken motor holder. So both pins sheared off. You can see them inside the gears. So we'll just get a new motor holder out of storage here. Get this thing up and running again. Put the small one on first. I just have a little bit of gunk in the gear here. We're just trying to push as much of that out as we can. Oh, I think I got it wrong. I use this ratcheting screwdriver because it helps me get torque on these little screws. Okay, so we're just going to give this worm gear a spin here. Hard to see it, but there we go. It is moving the gears. Okay. Definitely want to take this opportunity. Boy, that laser looks a little dirty too. But we're going to clean this where the rail goes. One more pass. That's still pretty dirty. Just trying to reduce the overall amount of grease on this thing. We don't want it caked on there because it'll just cake it back onto the laser guide rail. So you want to slot it in here first and then just give it a good push. We're not going to do that because the laser's not on there yet. All right, looks like it's working as it should now. Okay, we still got the top off, but that's okay. Just for testing purposes, we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. We just wanna make sure it moves. Looks like it's working to me. Okay, this one's fixed. Thanks a lot for watching. The only other thing I would do, that I'm just going to do off camera, is clean this rail. Just grease it, clean it a little bit, probably in place as best I can. But otherwise, the player should be good for a bit longer here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.